The British and Irish Lions have roared to a first Test series win since 2013, sealing a dramatic comeback victory over Australia in Melbourne. At one point trailing 23-5, Andy Farrell's side produced the greatest turnaround in Lions history, clinched by Hugo Keenan's last gasp try in front of more than 92,000 fans at the MCG. The Wallabies have stormed ahead with 3 tries in 9 minutes, but the Lions fought back with scores from Dan Sheehan, Tom Curry, Hague-Jones, Tadhg Beirne and finally Keenan. The try was reviewed by the TMO after complaints over a clear out at the ruck, but was allowed to stand, sending the touring squad and their supporters into raptures. Among the most impactful cameos was Jac Morgan, Wales's sole representative in the Test side. The flanker replaced Curry in the second half and immediately imposed himself with strong carries, 5 tackles and crucial work at the breakdown, including in the lead-up to Keenan's winning score. His performance didn't just turn the game, it echoed far beyond the pitch, inspiring his home village of Cumbernauld and underlining why he remains a vital figure for Welsh rugby. Captain Maro Itoje called a massive squad effort, while Farrell beamed, "If you're a kid watching that, you do want to be a Lion, 100%. With standout displays across the board from Tadhg Beirne's leadership and Finn Russell's vision, the Lions now chase a 3-0 clean sweep for the first time in Australia since 1927.
We showed the courage of what it takes to be a Lion, and delighted for everyone involved.
The third Test in Sydney is no dead rubber. Australia will come out swinging for pride, but the Lions have set their sights higher. A perfect tour, a united squad and a place in rugby folklore. With heroes like Morgan rising to the occasion, there's every reason to believe they can finish the job in style.